How's it going, everyone? We're back with another weekly watch list for this upcoming week in the stock market. Before I go any further, just want to wish everyone a safe Memorial Day weekend. Just take a moment to, remember the meaning of it, of course. And if you have any veterans in your life, just let them know how you feel, you love them, and you appreciate their sacrifice. So let's get into it. Now, this coming week in the market, obviously Monday's closed for the holiday, for Memorial Day, and I feel we are calling it a holiday. I know everyone has their opinions, of course. And then also, I leave town Tuesday. I may be trading in the morning, may not. I leave for my flight. I leave my house around 12 o'clock noon. So we'll see if I trade in the morning of. I'm going to be obviously doing my other work, packing, shit like that. So we'll see. It might just be an entirely cash week to close out the month, which wouldn't be bad, considering Tuesday would be the only day, most likely, that I'd be taking a trade. And I've only had one red day the entire month of May. In fact, my last red day was April 4th. So it's been quite a streak I've been on. I've mentioned in the last video. And, I'd rather not end the month on a red day or whatever. So we'll see. Friday was a really strong day for me as well. So kind of like two trading days into one. So we'll see. I leave for LA. I will be competing in a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu tournament. So that's something that I do pretty regularly, and I'm looking forward to that. I'll be back to the markets next week. So even though I'm not, maybe not be taking a single trade this week, I always show up. I've already done my watch list, got my trade ideas and plans, levels, everything ready for the week, and then sharing that with you guys as well. Why? Because I love doing it. Simple as that. So starting off with SPY, right? Always starting off with the previous day high, previous day low. I mark these out in the 15-minute time frame. So we're going to look to break at this range first, or usually reject the previous day high, bounce at the previous day low. So first thing we're looking for is a break at this range 530 and 526, these two levels here. Below 526, I do have 524.71. Below that, I do have 523.89. Going above, if we do go above Friday's high of day, I think most likely we'll probably test this all-time high supply zone for sure. But I do have this level here, which was very strong last week. 1, 2, 3, 4, even really solid rejections. Tested it, broke it, retested it again on Thursday at this 531.52 level. So possible we get above previous day high, maybe reject here again. If we get over it, then I definitely think we will test that all-time high supply, if not break it. Okay. And one thing I always, while I'm trading, especially SPY or QQQ or anything, is be watching SPX. Oh my goodness, SPX. And I love to see us always break the previous day's range for more direction. Obviously you can see on SPX previous day range is pretty tight. So, I'm looking to go long above it. I'm looking to go short below it, right? Obviously we have that same type of level here on SPX. So I'll be watching that as well for potential reject. Or reject or get over to go long. So I'll even mark that here. And I always put my possible levels in blue. Like I always keep, previous day high, previous day low in SPX, just these red levels. And the potential levels I keep here in blue. This one is not so much. It's the 5,300 because it's a whole psych number. We've had a lot of action in that area before. And I'm just, biasing shorts below it, longs above it type of deal. So we'll see. I might even just remove that on Monday. We'll see. So going over to QQQ, let's get into that. Same thing, previous day high, previous day low. Previous day high on Fridays kind of just meshed with this, level that we rejected out on Thursday as well. So I'd like to see us get above this 459.37 before testing the all-time high supply. And as you can see on the hourly here, we have a really legitimate supply zone, small Greek candle, and then followed by a large red candle. So this is definitely going to be supply. I definitely think we'll probably see another reject here for sure. It looks too good. Supply, double top type of situation. We'll see. Below the previous day low, I have 451.8. It's been a nice strong level. Below that, I have this 449 area, which was a previous all-time high as well if we go over the 4-hour here. Previous all-time high, we broke it, and then where did we retest? Exactly right there. So that kind of this whole 449, 448 zone will be my next bounce if we do break below. And then lastly, looking at IWM, first thing I'm looking for is on this daily, looking at these fibs, if we even get down here. The swing low to the swing high looks really nice. Watching the 50 and 61 fib for a bounce at 198.35 and 253. But based off just our intraday levels here, because again, it could be a minute before we get there. Looking at previous day high, previous day low. Ideally, we get over this previous day high, over this level here as well, this 205.81, which I believe is from the hourly as well. So I can just go back to the hourly here. Yeah, this level here, bounced it again, broke it, retested it. So again, we either reject this or we get over it, retest it before going along to 207. Below previous day low, my next bounce is going to be 202.35. And then below that, I have the 201 level. And then, of course, our fibs. So that's going to be everything I'm watching. Again, even though I won't be taking any trades this week, most likely, I'm still going to show up every day. Like, obviously, the market's closed tomorrow, Monday. But Tuesday, I'm going to show up. I'll be watching the market while doing my other work. May or may not take a trade. I may or may not take a trade Wednesday. You know, I don't compete till Thursday, so Wednesday is a day off. But the only reason I wouldn't is potentially because I just have my laptop and I have my whole setup. And I don't know, it doesn't seem like ideal conditions. So I'll watch. And if there's something that's like too hard to ignore, then I'd probably take a trade. And even if I do, it'd just be with one contract, just to keep risk very, very minimal. And that'd be the only trade for the day. Win or lose, I wouldn't take another. So we'll see. But I might just end the month with all the green that I have been having. And, you know, I'm very fortunate to have so far. The work has really been paying off. The screen time experience and everything. I'm really, really grateful for it. Anyway, so we'll see. But I'm going to be watching every single day and see where the market goes. And every single day, I'll update my levels. I'll mark out previous day high, previous day low every single day, even the day of the tournament as well. So looking forward to that. But anyways, I hope you all have an amazing week. Wish you the best inside and outside the markets. And I will see you right back here Sunday for next week's watch list. And maybe I'll be a world champion. We'll see. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.